a complex product with movable components and hinges, produced in a single manufacturing process without tools or assembly. This is e-manufacturing from EOS. The fast, flexible and cost-effective production directly from electronic data. EOS is #1 worldwide for laser sintering systems, the key technology for e-manufacturing. Designers no longer have to subordinate their ideas to the restrictions of conventional manufacturing processes. They can create geometries which up until now have been too expensive, too complicated if not impossible to manufacture. With a focus on the end result, the designer can create individual three-dimensional geometries. In the production process, the 3D CAD design is sliced up into layers. Innovative EOS laser sintering technology then builds the desired products layer by layer using powder-based materials and laser energy. This is EOSint by EOS, a high-end system applicable in more or less all industrial sectors, the key technology for e-manufacturing. Complete ready-to-use products are created directly from electronic data. The results of this automated production system are economical, customized products with superior value for the customer for all industries in which applications, complexity and individuality converge. For example, in motor racing and the automotive industry, and in the aerospace industry. In the medical industry, for example, implants can be produced to fit the individual anatomy of the patient, as well as special devices and implements. Your imagination is almost unlimited. Laser sintering can produce incredible structures. Manufacture your products in any quantity, in different sizes and variations, as an exclusive series in a single process.
With
e-manufacturing, you are securing your competitive advantage in an age of ever-decreasing product life cycles and multitudes of variety. Laser sintering provides you with innovative technology for product development and manufacturing.
Die Produktion zur Verfügung.